Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my channel and my office. And today I have this thing here. So I got this and it was a set of 6 of them, but I'm just gonna show you one. And what this is the, like you have those the cube storage unit areas. And so Amazon sells them. They have their own little version of them, the Amazon Basics one, which I think are the same as every other one, but it's like probably half the price. And so I'm gonna show you how it is. I set up a bunch of them already, but I'm gonna show you here. So you open it up and so in there, it looks like this. I'm gonna scoot myself back a little so you can kind of see. So that's what it looks like there. And then it comes with this little fabric one with the pull. So if you're gonna be taking it out and putting it in or whatever, you can do that. I mean, once I put it together, it stays together. So there, so that's how it is. And it's got the little handle on it. And it's a pretty good cube. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick them up yourself. But be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel too, so you can see some more of my reviews. But I like this. I mean, it does what it needs to do. It's gonna hold up pretty good. I mean, it's just single stitched and stuff. It's not like I'm gonna be putting super heavy stuff in there. I'll probably, in this room, I'm in my office here, so in the office, I'm gonna be putting all my different wires and stuff like that in there, and it should hold it fine. If I started filling it up with like battery packs or something heavy, I don't know, it would probably even hold that too. I'm using it like drawers into one of those cubby storage. And pretty much all the cubby storages are the same size and stuff, so it fits and I like it. So way better price savings than getting them anywhere else. So thanks for watching. Links in the description. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.